Okay, now that we are hopefully so fresh and so clean, it is time to moisturize. So what I'm gonna do, I have plain water in here. I just reordered some rose water, but I'm like back in town getting settled in, so I don't have everything yet. With that rose water, I'm just taking some vitamin E oil, putting that in there. If you watched my last lock update, you'll remember me talking about essentially not using heavy oils, especially on my scalp, but possibly on my hair in general. So I am just going to spray this, if I can get the bottle closed, on the main sections of my hair. Okay, yep, I'm not a person who likes my hair to be soaking, so we're not gonna make it super duper damp. Then what I'm gonna do is grab a hair tie and work in quadrants. To separate my hair at the root and add moisturizer. When you're not retwisting, this is super important to do, or else it's not gonna be fun when you do retwist. And as you can see, majority of them came apart like pretty easy. Taking that vitamin oil again. Putting that on. Not on my roots, just along the length of my hair. Taking that Smell Good oil, which is a mixture of almond oil and essential oils. Again, not on my roots, just along the length of my hair. Going through again. And doing any deeper separating. And this isn't sped up, this is normal. This is normal speed, so as you can see, like my hair ain't super duper crazy to get apart right now. I also do some separation in the shower, which I feel like helps. I low-key want to do a head wrap today, but at the same time, I don't want to put my like wet locks just covered up, so they will be air drying for the rest of the day. Give some extra love to my edges. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And that is literally it. This is like the most simple post-wash day routine. You don't need a lot of products. Just grab you 2 decent oils, one moisturizing and one that's kind of like a sealant. An actual moisturizer, whether that's water, leave-in conditioner, etc., and you're good to go. Now, while my hair is not retwisted, it is separated and lightly moisturized. But yes, it is separated and lightly moisturized. I'm gonna be getting like back into the gym and stuff, and I know for me that makes my scalp sweat a lot. That's why I wasn't focusing too much on adding oil to the roots, because obviously if I'm sweating a lot at my roots and I'm adding oil to my roots, I'm gonna need to wash my hair the next day, okay, if I don't mess around. But that is all for today. I hope that y'all enjoyed this super duper simple routine. You can see how my hair is coming along. I love these little sticky outy pieces. I may go back later and wrap these up, as I was talking about in my last video, which I will also put in the cards. Yeah, I like it like that. But that is all. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.